Hello, my wonderful people. Some meals don't need much explanation. The moment you see them, your heart already understands. Beans and plantain is one of those meals. Today, I'm making beans porridge and frying ripe plantain on the side. Nothing complicated, just real food cooked with patience and love. Beans teaches patience in a very quiet way. It doesn't rush, it doesn't pretend. You put it on fire and it takes its time. And somehow, life is like that too. So I started by washing my beans properly, no shortcuts, because some things in life don't respond well to shortcuts. As the beans began to cook, the kitchen slowly filled with that familiar smell, the kind that reminds you of home, the kind that makes you feel safe. While the beans were cooking, I stood there for a moment, just watching the pot, and I realized something. Some of our biggest blessings come quietly, no noise, no announcement, just steady progress. After the beans softened, I added my ingredients and let everything simmer together. This is where the magic happens. When everything starts to blend, just like people, just like seasons. At this point, the beans wasn't shouting for attention. It was just becoming better. Then came the plantain. Ripe plantain has a way of making any meal feel special. It doesn't try to compete, it simply adds sweetness where it is needed. I slice my plantain gently and place it into hot oil, and immediately that sound, the soft sizzling sound that tells you something good is happening here. As the plantain fried, the kitchen changed mood completely. Suddenly, it felt like one of those evenings when you are tired but hopeful, when you just want to eat, rest, and feel okay again. When everything was ready, I served them side by side. The beans porridge on one side, the golden fried plantain on the other. I didn't mix them together. I let each one shine on its own. And honestly, that's a lesson too. Not everything needs to be combined to work. Sometimes things are better when they stand side by side, supporting each other quietly. Beans gives you strength, plantain gives you comfort. Together, they make balance. This is the kind of meal you eat after a long day, the kind that reminds you that simple things can still make you very happy. If you're watching this and life feels heavy right now, remember this plate. Progress doesn't always look fancy. Sometimes it looks like beans cooking slowly on the stove. And sweetness doesn't always come loud. Sometimes it comes quietly, like fried plantain on the side. Thank you so much, my beautiful people, for watching this video. Do not forget, like the video, subscribe, share this recipe with a loved one, and I'm definitely going to be seeing you in my next recipe. Stay blessed, stay lifted. I love you and God bless you. Bye, guys.